Hello, this is Sheila Brown with SheilaKBrown.com on the final day of the World Internet Summit here in the beautiful Gold Coast of Australia. And there have been the most amazing speakers here with so much content, and I'm here with one of the greatest speakers here. His name is Barnaby De Palma. He is a Web 2.0 master. You can guarantee to get your page up on Google. He gave us a lot of great content. So I just want to ask Barnaby one quick question. So let's talk to me, Barnaby. I appreciate it.
Yeah.
So the one question I want to ask you is, given your vast knowledge that's made you so successful as an internet marketer, if you were a newbie here in the audience of the summit for the past 4 days and you're not having to go home and implement some of the strategies you learned, what would you choose to implement that would make you money within the next 30 days and you could build a lasting internet marketing business?
What you want to start with, I'd say this is market research. See, market research is really the cornerstone of your success online. So it's really like taking a step back in what you're going to be doing. You want to first focus on going after markets where there's traffic. So rather than you sitting there just trying to think of a product to sell, if you've already got something, it may or may not be good. So what I want you to start off with is go and type into Google Keyword Tool. You go to Google's own free keyword tool that they've only just released in the last 6 or 8 months or so. Previously they didn't used to tell us how many people were searching on each keyword. Now they actually do. So you can type the things you're interested in, start brainstorming, and go in there and you'll see how many people are searching on these keywords. Perhaps even before that, you might like to go to Amazon and see what are the hot selling magazines. Find out what people are interested in, what is topical at the moment. That will give you some ideas of really where people's attention is going. Then you go to Google Keyword Tool and start seeing how people are searching on these keywords. Then from there you have a list. Oh, okay, so these are the keywords that people are going for. From that, you can create yourself some videos. Make yourself some videos that talk about that. Actually, before that, find yourself, ideally, like an affiliate product. So these are the steps. Market research, look on Google Keyword Tool, Amazon, find yourself an affiliate product that fits in with what you're going after, make yourself some videos that then promote that, and link them through the social finding sites, such as Dig and Delicious, and stumble upon those, and you'll start getting some rankings. After this, of course, you want to have articles up there, have a blog, and these sort of things, but that's the beginning. That will really get you going, and you'll start seeing some traffic, and you also obviously want to have some kind of lead capture device there. So when the traffic starts coming through, on that video from YouTube, you want to have them pointing to a link. That link will be your lead capture page, which will have another video on it. So those are the steps. Just follow that stuff, and you'll be on your way.
Wow. You guys, that was great. If you think that was amazing, you should get the DVDs for Internet Summit. It's speakers like Barnaby and many, many others giving out content, days and hours of content that is equally as powerful and money-making as that. So I hope you enjoyed that. Grab the DVDs. And again, this is Sheila Brown with SheilaKBrown.com signing off. Thank you.